My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me, either that side or this side. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so, just waking up. You're going to excuse my appearance, whatever like that. I ain't even make up my bed yet. About to head to the spot so I can give y'all another early sneaker review. I think this sneaker drops this Saturday. I'm not too sure. I'm kind of looking forward to this shoe. I do want this shoe, so I'm looking forward to giving this a quick little review. It's not going to be a detailed review. On these early reviews, I don't really do detailed reviews because I'm at the spot. So I'm not really supposed to be, yeah, you feel me? So if you know, you know. So just going to be a first look of it, and actually in hands of a consumer and not like images off the internet. But I mean, you know, it's millions and millions of YouTubers, sneaker tubers, shoe tubers, whatever you want to call us. So I'm pretty sure this review is already up anyway. So I want to give y'all my little take on it. So about to clean up my room, make up my bed, get some breakfast, then I'm gonna hit the spot and give y'all this early review of a sneaker that I actually am looking forward to getting. So stay tuned. Bye. Okay. So we got the Jordan box. See the Jordan right there on the top, the red Jumpman in the center. Nothing special about this. Turn this around. Nike Air right there. Got Air Jordan 9 Retro Summit white black, size 8.5. This is a personal pair. I will be getting this shoe. Got that black trash bag like paper. And without further ado, I forgot what the name of these are called. I want to say, say UNC, but without further ado, we got that Air Jordan 9. We're just gonna say UNC until I get the real name. Boom. Yeah, like I said, I can't remember the name of these. I want to say Air Jordan 9 UNCs. I could be wrong about that. Powder blue, something like that. But I'm loving the light blue texture on this, on the midsole and on the back, and that World Jordan bubble right there. And on the sock line on the inside with the black. Got the black pull tab right there. Black laces, all white leather upper going running through the shoe. I do not like how it's kind of bleeding though. I don't know if it was meant to be this way or that's just the bleeding of it. See that? See that little hints of it right there? I do not like that. I don't like that. But I think it's just meant to be like that. Cause look at that outline. Yeah, it's got to be meant like that. Yeah. I'm looking more closely. You can't really. There it is. It's cleared up. Yeah, it's meant to be like that. It's not bleeding. I apologize. I was wrong on that. No, but I was waiting for this. I do like Jordan 9s. I know a lot of people don't like Jordan 9s, but I am a fan of Jordan 9s. It's a nice shoe. I forgot the name of these. I really forgot. When I get back to the house, I will give y'all some detailed information about like the price, the actual release date, everything like that. But so far, so good. I like these, man. I know they are about to drop. I think they dropped this week. I'm not too sure. But that's the bottom. Got the Jumpman right there in that powder blue. Or that UNC blue, whatever you want to call it. It said Summit. So, Air Jordan right there on the tongue. Dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe. This is definitely a cop for me. That's why I'm showing y'all early review with my size. So I definitely want to get this shoe. This is definitely a cop. Y'all let me know if this is a cop or drop for y'all. If y'all think this worth it. That's pretty much it. All right, let's get back to the house so I can give y'all some detailed information about this shoe a little bit more. So yeah, let's get back to the house. This probably be the thumbnail right here. What y'all think? Or like this? Probably just do this. Yeah, that'd probably be the thumbnail right there. Alright, let's get back to the house. Alright, we back at the spot. Hope y'all enjoyed that not so long but kind of detailed, semi-detailed look at the Air Jordan 9s, the new Air Jordan 9s, upcoming Air Jordan 9s that's supposed to be dropping, I think, this Saturday. I got some information for y'all like I always do. This is off kicksonfire.com. Shout out to kicksonfire.com. It's going to be right next to me right now. Up right now. Should be up right there right now. Alright, so March 23rd is the release date, 2024. Retail price is $210. Okay. Alright, so it's been a cool minute since the Air Jordan 9. Oh, and I was right. So I remember I couldn't think of the name of the shoe. I thought it was UNC, but I kept on saying powder blue. It is the powder blue. So it said, it's been a cool minute since the Air Jordan 9 powder blue got the retro treatment. Having made its debut in 1994, the Air Jordan 9 powder blue also last released in 2010. Now it looks like Jordan Brand will be giving the sneaker the retro treatment in 2024. The Air Jordan 9 powder blue nods to Michael Jordan's college playing days in the University of North Carolina. Returning for its 30th anniversary, the Air Jordan 9 powder blue comes dressed in a white, black, and dark powder blue color scheme, returning in true OG form. The Air Jordan 9 features a white leather upper with black accents on the tongue, eyelets, liner, Jumpman on the midsole, and heel pull tabs. The powder blue hints land on the midsole, tongue branded, and heel. Completing the look is a white rubber sole, Also worth mentioning, unlike the 2010 pair, the 2024 pair will not include the 23 embroidered on the heels to match its OG 1994 release. Then just talking about like when it's going to release and how much it costs. Here's some more images. So one thing that catch my attention off of what we just read while y'all looking at these images is this is going to be more true to the 1994 pair. So you see right there, I'm just zoom that in right there. You see that right there, the Jordan World Bubble or whatever you want to call it. That is the OG pair. I never had the OG pair. I do not think I had the 2010 pair. I'm not too sure. I had so many Jordans back in the day. I'm not sure if I had this before. But I do kind of remember this shoe having a 23 in the back. But that could have been a bunch of different shoes. So I was on some vlog sites and a lot of people didn't even realize that the OG pair did not have the 23. I saw a couple comments like, oh, this is not a true OG because it doesn't have the 23 in the back, but the original pair did not have the 23 in the back to begin with. So you're wrong. So it's a lot of images. There we go. We just gonna fast forward through all this. There we go. More images. All right. So turn it off. So yeah. So it will be releasing March 23rd. That is this Saturday. For a retail price of $210. Will you be picking up the Air Jordan 9 powder blue? I knew I will be. I like any type of blue and white shoe. Even though I don't like white that much, I like the combination of UNC colorways. Like I like blue and white together. So definitely gonna pick this up. Yeah, y'all tell me in the comments below. Is it cop or drop? You like it? What would be your grade for it? I'm not really gonna give it a grade. You know, I will give it a grade. I give it a solid 7.5. Solid 7.5. I mean, not nothing special, but I don't have that many Jordan 9s to begin with. I think I probably got like 4 pairs of Jordan 9s. So it would be nice to add a little OG retro pair into the vault. Welcome to the family. So, all right, let's subscribe.
Wait, can you show me the shoe?
Classic. Okay. Don't bring the camera close.
Okay.
Yeah, you can What?
No.
You like it? No.
5.
A 5?
I give out 5.
Oh, this ain't no 5. This ain't no 5.
Yes.
This ain't no 5. I don't think that. This ain't no 5. Why you give it a 5?
So little blue.
Yeah, this ain't no 5.
Yes,
This ain't no 5. This ain't no 5.
I mean, I'll give it 6.5.
Whatever. That's your grade. This is a nice shoe. It's a nice clean shoe.
I know.
You can go with a lot of fits.
I just want more blue.
You want more blue? I get it. I mean, I'm not mad at that. It ain't no 5. I know that anyway.
I'll give it 6.5. Is that better?
I give it a 7.5, so that's fine. I mean, but you like what you like. You don't gotta change your grade. If you want to give it a 5, you give it a 5. It is what it is. Some people might give it a 3. We don't. You never know. Somebody might give it a 10. But like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below.
Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.